This was a complete backyard design and installation, starting with the vinyl pool, L-shaped concrete wall. The pool depth is from 43 inches to 5.5 feet. We built corner steps with benches on both sides. There's a sitting area in the pool with 6 stools and an island. Polished granite was used as a countertop. And we left a hole for the position of the umbrella that's permanently kept inside the pool. The pool has LED lights. They are changing color lights. Right now they're just in white mode. We also built a raised patio area with the old water feature incorporated into it. Electric LED lights, spillover water bowls, and 5 shade stands with LED lights. These are changing colors. The raised patio was built for the lounge chairs. Place is meticulously landscaped. There's a 5-pit area, and the pool coping is a charcoal fullnose. The patio consists of Cambridge large pattern, multi-size combination. The gray and white blend with a smooth texture. This is the latest Gappsi design and installation of pool masonry and landscaping in Smithtown, New York.